4, I want you to write what represent means to you. So write what we're learning. 2, think about what we're learning. 3, talk about what we're learning. And then 4, write what we're learning one more time. When you're ready, unpause this video and go to the next slide. Our vocabulary today, class, are 10 frame, counters, number track, position, greater than, sum, less than, representation, quantity, and value. Pause this video and match the colorful words and pictures to the red words. Unpause and check and see if you got them all right. Alright class, vocabulary, our 10 frames are shown below. Our counts we count with and number tracks are just like a 10 frame. When we talk about position, it's where we are as a sum of ones or tens. Greater than is more, and we use add one sometimes. Sum is that answer to an addition problem. Less than means less or minus one sometimes. Representation means to use pictures to show something. Quantity and value are about the same for us in first grade, and that just means an amount. Did you get them all right? Pause the video, discuss, and go to the next one. As always, parents and family members, if you need extra help with words and things we're learning here in first grade, pause the video and with the phone scan these pictures to get some more tutorials. If not, keep on going to the next slide and we'll keep on learning. Again, class, we are representing team numbers. Think, team, where have I heard that word before? Here, class, I have a make 10. How many blue dots are on this frame? Let's go ahead and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Now I know I have 10, but how can I make 12, 15, or even 18? If these are 10, how can I show that extra difference? That extra difference of 2, that extra difference of 5, or that extra difference of 18? Easily, I would just add some more counters. I'd start counting at 10 and count on. 11, 12. Count on. Now look at this picture. I know I have a make 10 filled. Well, how can I start? Well, think about that count on. Think about it, and then let's get started. Well, again, if I'm counting on from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I could write the number of counters I see here, but where would I put each number? Think about that and write it in your journal. That's right. I would write the numeral 1 in the tens column and the numeral 6 in the ones. 16, 1 10, 6 ones. Hey parents, as always, here you go. Hey class, some more weeding practice. At the top I have my number line. What I want us to look at is that numeral 12. Pause this video and I want you to do 2 things. Complete the make 10 chart, the make 20 chart, with the numeral 12 represented, and at the bottom tell me how many ones and how many tens this number is a sum of. When you have those 2 things done, unpause the video and let Alright class, check your answer. The numeral is 12, so you should have shown me at least 12 counters. Did you get it right? Alright, let's do another one. If my numeral is 15, show me with counters and show me on your sentence then what the numeral 15 is a sum of in terms of tens and ones. Pause this video. When you're ready, come back to me. Alright. Here's our numeral, 15. We should have 10 ones and then 5 more ones. Check your answer and see if you put 15 counters down correctly. If you did, high five someone. Let's go to the next one and see how much more we can do. Pause the video and let's get ready. This next one I'm going to give you is a bit more difficult, almost backwards. Remember, always your number line. So at the make 20s, I have a certain amount of counters. I want you to count those counters and show me the the tens and ones, and then write the sentence then. That number is a sum of blank tens and blank more ones. When you have that ready, unpause this video and let's see if you got it right. Alright guys, the answer was 19. Did you get it correct? If not, pause the video, go back and try it once more, but use my help right here in the front. If you got it correct, let's go ahead and go on to the next one. Alright class, so work I want you to do on your own. I want you to go open your Orago student pages and do pages 20, 21. Take a picture of it and upload it to our class for our teacher to see later on. Alright class, you've got one more you do on your own. Just like we did with those make tens and counters, at home I want you to go ahead and show me on those make tens and make 20 charts how you would compose 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 using our make 10 tables. Take a picture of that with an adult and